Yeah, I made all the cabins, and I learned from my brothers who were outfitters, so they had to build cabins too out of plywood. Built many cabins and learned from them. In this region, we don't have a lumber store like Home Depot or other lumber stores like Montreal. You get what you get, and the only place that sells lumber is the co-op or the hunter support, and they always run out.
Ici, on a beaucoup de construction, il y a beaucoup de démolition. We try to salvage as much wood and as much material as we can.
Today in the development of our communities, all houses are built on gravel pads. So they just literally put dirt on top of our earth. We need development, we need housing, yes, but at what cost, and how do we respect the land, the environment, and what it provides for us, but still continuing the development. So we need to have a middle ground.
It's mostly telling, they're more of observers, like I teach. They look and learn. Nobody wants to go in another community and learn the carpentry. It has to be like presented in town and do a building, not a small one, like a real house. That way they will be more motivated. When they're just doing a little house like a shack, it's good for them, they're learning, but they need to learn more about building, how to winterize the building and what materials to use. That needs to be taught in town.
Coming back part is such an important component, because if we want things to change, it has to be us, because we know our own values. Because as much as as Southerners come, as much as even though they're amazing teachers, there's just that component of being a part of the culture that they will never understand. And so I think it's becoming more and more like that. Like my generation, our mentality is changing. We're becoming more aware, and we're starting to speak up.
And the thing is with that co-op is that he adjusts to the lifestyle. That's what's important. When we want to go in the springtime, we want to go goose hunting, we're gonna go, no matter what. We're gonna go goose hunting, and we're gonna go get food for our family. Because food here, shipping, everything is expensive. So then the way we live is very important to us. So it's good that Solidarity Co-op is wrapping itself around the culture and the way of life here. Giving training and also giving tools and motivating them into training and to know knowledge about houses.